to a comprehensive guide on the numbers 1 through 100,000. I will be teaching you Japanese numbers 1 through 10, Chinese numbers 1 to 100,000, the rules for writing numbers, and how to pronounce numbers. Let's start off with numbers 1 through 10. They will be spoken both in their Japanese and Chinese counterparts. 1. Ichi, Japanese, hitotsu. 2. Ni, Japanese, fu, tatsu. 3. San, Japanese, mitsu. 4. Yon, Japanese, yotsu. 5. Go, Japanese, itsutsu. 6. Roku, Japanese, mutsu. 7. Nana, Japanese, nanasu. 8. Hachi, Japanese, yatsu. 9. Kyu, Japanese, koko notsu. 10. Ju, Japanese, to. Now, it's time for Tesuto on numbers 1 through 10. Thank you for reviewing lesson material 1 through 10. I'll be asking you 4 numbers to repeat. I will give you 5 seconds to answer each question. Once the 5 seconds are elapsed, I will give you the answer. The answers will involve repeating the numbers that have been reviewed in the lesson material in Japanese. Let us begin. First, what is 10 in Japanese? The answer is ju. Next, what is 3 in Japanese? The answer is san. Next, what is 5 in Japanese? The answer is go. Finally, what is 1 in Japanese? The answer is ichi. Please record your answers. Thank you for completing this first test. Help me. Now, we will learn how numbers over 10 work. Take the number 21. 21 has the numbers 2 and 1 in it. To find out how to pronounce 21 in Japanese, we need to know how to format the numbers. The order goes like so. A number 1 through 9. The place of the number, and again, number 1 through 9. The number 21 has 2 in the tens place and 1 in the ones place. We can put the number 21 into the format like so. 2, tens/10, 1. Thus, we will say ni, ju, ichi. Characters in Japanese are written in a similar order. Ni, ju, ichi from left to right. Like English, they are written left to right. But what if the number we were dealing with was instead 20? This introduces Rule 0. Rule 0 dictates that if a 0 is present in a number, it should be ignored completely. Thus, we will have the pronunciation of ni, ju. Since there is a 0 after the 2, we disregard it. Now, let's learn the tens. Try to see if you can use prior knowledge to pronounce these numbers with me. 10, ju. 20, ni, ju. 30, san, ju. 40, yon, ju. 50, go, ju. 60, roku, ju. 70, nana, ju. 80, hachi, ju. 90, kyu, ju. Now, let's take a test on 10 to 90. Hello again. We've successfully reviewed lesson material for numbers 10 through 90. For this next test, I will be using the same format as last time. I will ask 4 questions, which require you to give me the numbers in Japanese. The test will begin now. First, what is 16 in Japanese? Ju roku. Next, what is 32 in Japanese? The answer is san, ju, ni. Next, what is 81 in Japanese? The answer is hachi, ju, ichi. And finally, what is 59 in Japanese? The answer is go, ju, q. Please record your answers. Stay here much longer. Now, we will learn how to do the 100s. The 100th place in Japanese is hyaku. For an example, let's try the number 459. We can break 459 into 4, 100, 5, 10, 9. This follows the format we learned earlier. Thus, with these numbers, we can pronounce 459 as yon, hyaku, go, ju, q. We will be encountering some special rules during this lesson, so let me introduce them to you. The 300s rule, instead of hyaku, byaku is substituted. The 600s/800s rule, instead of hyaku, pyaku is substituted. In addition, only the first syllable of each word should be used. Ro instead of roku, and ha instead of hachi. Now, let's get right into the 100s. 100, hyaku. 200, ni hyaku. 300, san byaku. 400, yon hyaku. 500, go hyaku. 600, ro pyaku. 700, nana hyaku. 800, ha pyaku. 900, q hyaku. Now, let's take a test on 100 to 900. Hello again. Welcome to the 100s place review. This will follow the same format as previously, but instead I will give you 8 seconds to answer. Ready? Let's begin. First, what is 283 in Japanese? The answer is ni, hyaku, hachi, ju, san. Next, what is 419 in Japanese? The answer is yon, hyaku, ju, q. Next, what is 320 in Japanese? The answer is san, byaku, ni, ju. Finally, what is 662 in Japanese? The answer is ro, pyaku, roku, ju, ni. Thank you for participating in this test. We will learn how to do the 1000s. The 1000s place in Japanese is sen. For an example, let's try the number 3724. We can break 3724 into 3, 1000, 7, 100, 2, 10, 4. This follows the format we learned earlier. Thus, with these numbers, we can pronounce 3,724 as san, sen, nana, hyaku, ni, ju, yon. There are no special rules for the thousands place. Let's move right into the thousands. 1,000, sen. 2,000, ni sen. 3,000, san sen. 4,000, yon sen. 5,000, go sen. 6,000, roku sen. 7,000, nana sen. 8,000, hachi sen. 9,000, kyu sen. Now, let's take a test about 1,000 to 9,000.
Well, it appears we meet again. This time we will be reviewing the 1,000th place. Now, I will only be giving 3 questions for this test in order to save time, as I will be giving you 15 seconds to answer. Are you ready? Let's begin. First, what is 1,337 in Japanese? The answer is sen, san yaku, san ju, nana. Next, what is 2,048 in Japanese? The answer is ni, sen, yon, ju, hachi. And finally, what is 9,999 in Japanese? The answer is kyu, sen, kyu, hyaku, kyu, ju, kyu. Thank you for taking this test. It's not the last one, though. We'll be getting out here soon.
We will learn how to do the 10,000s. The 10,000 place in Japanese is man. For an example, let's try the number 28,096. We can break 28,096 into 2, 10,000, 8, 1,000, 9, 100, 10, 6. This follows the format we learned earlier. Thus, with these numbers, we can pronounce 28,906 as ni, man, hachi, sen, kyu, hyaku, roku. The 10,000s place has one rule, the 10K rule. If the number is merely 10,000, it must be pronounced with ichi before man. Example, 10,000 equals ichi man. Without further ado, let's end this nightmare by moving into the 10,000s. 10,000, ichi man. 20,000, ni man. 30,000, san man. 40,000, yon man. 50,000, go man. 60,000, roku man. 70,000, nana man. 80,000, hachi man. 90,000, kyu man. Now, let's finish this off with a test for 10,000 to 90,000.
Hello. It's nearly and dearly almost over. This will be your final test. This is for the 10,000th place in Japanese. I will give you 18 seconds to answer and 3 questions. Are you ready? Let's hope so. First, what is 34,214 in Japanese? The answer is san, man, yon, sen, ni, hyaku, ju, yon. Next, what is 68,921 in Japanese? The answer is roku, man, hachi, sen, kyu, hyaku, ni, ju, ichi. And finally, truly finally, what is 99,684 in Japanese? Now, the answer is Q, man, Q, sen, roku, no, ro, pyaku, hachi, ju, yon. Thank you.
Almost over. 100,000 is the final number. The pronunciation for 100,000 is ju man, as in 10, 10,000. Thank you for listening to this presentation.